Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the second device to your speaker simultaneously with the first one. And right now we have the first device what connected with the speaker, and the second one do not. Okay, so we need to enter print mode and pair the second device. The best part that we don't need to enable dual connection, because in the application we have no option to enable or disable dual connection. Right here we have nothing. If we go to the setting, the same situation, no dual connection. So open settings on your second device, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the top click pair new device if you have Android, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to click at this button. After that, at the top of the speaker we have Bluetooth button, press one time at the Bluetooth button. You will see tone, and also this light should be blinking, but it's not blinking right now. Okay, don't worry. Tap at your speaker at the device list and click pair. Now this speaker connected with the second device, and we need to check is it connected with the first device. So let's go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and as you can see we still have connection with both of these devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!